So this once you find this circumference, you'll be able to know this distance. Okay, and the total distance which it has to move is the speed in 1 minute. Means that's what is asked. What is asked? Find the revolutions per minute. So let's find the circumference first. Circumference means what? Is here. It means the wheel has to go 55 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed required. It means what? This distance of 55 by 3 it has to cover by rotating, and that's what we have to find. How many such rotations would be there? Means how many such cuts would be there? This is what we have to find. So circumference is what? 2 pi r. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7, that is 4.4 meters. Now what is this 4.4 meters? It is this smaller distance, 4.4, 4.4, 4.4, 4.4. Means how many 4.4 are required in this 55 by 3? That's what the question is. So number of revolutions it has to make is 55 by 3, means this total distance upon these shorter distances 4.4, right? So 55 by 3 upon 4.4. So it becomes 55 by 3 into 1 upon 4.4. Solve this, you will get 25 upon 6 per second. Means this much revolutions it has to make to cover the distance of 55 by 3. Okay. So in 1 minute how much is required? Why 1 minute? Because in question it's asked how many revolutions per minute. Now we have got the revolutions per second. So per minute means 25 by 6 into 60, that is 250 revolutions are required. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.